Hello, so welcome back everyone. This is week 8 of my 100k FTMO challenge account. As you can see, the start date is on 2nd of July and we are more than halfway through the phase 1. The current equity is $8,000 in profit. So I've traded for 19 days and we are 8,000 profit. So this week I took 2 trades on the Monday and Tuesday. So I will go through them now. So on Monday I saw this nice level, this blue line you can see over here. It acted as support one time, acted as support before it closed as a engulfing candle very strongly on last Friday. So I took a short position. I took a short position at the blue line, and since it was a very strong level, my target was the support down here, and my stop loss I went to the lower time frame M15 and I put my stop above this candle. So that's my first trade that I took. Actually I think my stop loss could be higher. Yeah, I think my stop loss is above this M5 high right here. So for about 1.85 risk reward, that's my first trade. Acted as support. Once it broke down, I figured the rounded retest would be a good shot, but price ended up squeezing higher, taking me out and before proceeding lower. So that's the first trade I took on Monday. This trade was actually also taken on Monday. The very end of Monday is actually close to Tuesday already. So this trade was one touch level, you can see acted as resistance, and I drew the Fibonacci. Oh, there was no Fibonacci, my bad. There was a H1 support right here on the H1 support, right? And so I took the position about here and my stop right below the trust candle, and I might take profit right here. And so 1.93 R. So when this trade occurred, price was dropping very quickly. It dropped close to 430 points, while the average true range is only 240 points. So we exceeded the daily average true range by quite a lot. So I figured price would likely mean revert. So that's my trade. The 2 trades I took for this week. Upcoming, I do have some trades that I've planned out as well. I will go through them now. So the first trade I have is gold. So gold, I might take this trade on the daily time frame once I will be taking this trade on the daily time frame once the market opens on Monday. So it acted as resistance, and we closed quite strongly, I think. Quite strongly. It did not close above this, but I think we closed quite strongly. So I will be taking a position on the day using the daily candle and aiming for all-time high. So my take profit level will probably be around there, 3602. Right. So how I get 3602 is I just mark the 2.0 of this entire consolidation, and I'll be putting my stop right below that. Ideally, the daily candle close above this June high will be the best, but looking at the monthly time frame, since the monthly candle is closed, once Monday open it will be the new candle. On the monthly candle you can see price move up, price consolidated as an inside bar candle followed by another inside bar candle. So we'll be consolidating for 4 months actually, and this is the first daily close above this 3435 level, which has acted as resistance in the past. If you go to the line chart, you can see is a very nice resistance which was always respected on the daily time frame. So since we close above this level, I'll be taking a long position, and I'm aiming for this high. That's one of my setups. So, and usually I would like to go down to the hourly time frame, but since the hourly time frame is not as clean, since this it closed, a lot of candles close through here, so I'll be taking on a daily time frame instead. So the second setup I have planned is silver. So I have this level mark. So it acted as a resistance in the past here, and resistance. So this is a one touch level with H1 support. So I will need either the daily average true range or the Fibonacci level. This is one touch plus H1 pin bar. I'll need Fib or ATR. Yep, so you can see it acted as resistance here. This is a daily high. It's my daily high. So yep, I will be putting my stop loss below this candle instead of this candle, since this is a daily level right here as well. I'll put it further down. For take profit, I have to see how price develops. Maybe price come down swiftly, then maybe we can aim for here. But if price grinded lower before coming back, then maybe I have to aim up here. So we'll have to see how price develops for this. So that's one of my setup. Another one I am forecasting is Euro Aussie. So this is a nice H1 cluster here. So if price comes up swiftly and exit the average true range, I will take the position to here. A quick mean reversion trade. Similarly, if price comes down very swiftly, I'll take profit right here. I'll enter and take profit right into these lows here. Yep, so another setup is Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, actually on Friday, price was coming down swiftly, but it kind of stalled. So actually the resistance is actually quite close to my entry level. So I might not have a risk reward of 1, which is my minimum, which is my requirement for a trade setup. If I do not have a risk reward of 1, I might pass on the trade. So yeah, if it came down like this, I will pass the trade. But if it grinds higher and it comes down very swiftly, then I will take the trade. So this is quite discretionary. That's one of my potential setups. Pound dollar, similarly, I have one H1 cluster here and another H1 cluster here. So similarly, if price comes down swiftly, I'll take it. But I need a risk reward of minimum 1, which I think I can get it here. I think my stop is there and I take profit. Yeah, about just barely 1. So yep. Whereas for here, if price comes down swiftly, I will take profit around here, about 1 as well. Yeah, so I need price to come down swiftly. Another of my setup is New Zealand JPY. Quite similar to all the hourly setups. Price, I want a quick movement into my level, and I'll take the position. Yeah, so that's the forecast for this upcoming week. So actually I did some review. So every week actually I also review if I miss any trades. So this week actually I did look back a few weeks ago, and I find that the data feed was a bit weird. So now I have changed all my forex pairs to FXCM. Actually all my trading pairs are to FXCM. Previously I was using the data feed from Oenda, and there were 2 trades I think I could have taken. So I did pass on this trade. So this was a one touch level. You can see acted as a resistance, and it was a very nice 0.618, I think. So this trade, I think I would have taken it something like this to this hourly. Yeah. But this is one of my missed trades. Alright, I did not take on this trade. You can see first, so it was 113. When the time price came down, it has moved quite a lot as well, and my stop caters for more than 113, so it's a nice trade. 1 hour, I did not take this trade because you can see on the 14th of August, on the 1400 hour, this candle is actually an engulfing candle, and the price actually got filled my level at 0400 on the Tuesday, on this Tuesday. But if you look at Oenda platform, I did not take this trade because my level was actually lower, 2.07464, and price did not touch it. But furthermore, on the 14th August, the 1400 candle is not an engulfing candle, so that's something to note. On Oenda platform, it just hit here and bounced, so hence I put my order after I saw this price bounce. Yeah, another one of my missed setup is probably this trade. You can see on pound Swiss, this is acting as resistance, very strong trust candle. So if I draw the Fibonacci, it aligns with 0.5 perfectly, so it touches the level at 0500, right? So probably my stop will go below the trust candle low, and my take profit will probably be, since here doesn't give me 1 hour, you can see 0.7. Since this low doesn't give me 1 hour, I'll move to the next higher low, which is here. But this level has been retested. You can see once price closed through, it retested as resistance, so it last acted as resistance. So I'm looking for the last area of support, so probably my take profit is this high right there. So it acted as support, price wick through it and bounce strongly. So you can see this trade I did not take as well. So on FXCM, price actually did touch it. I checked on my broker, which is FTMO as well. Price actually I would get a few, I think. But on Oenda, you can see I have the level mark. Similarly, I have the level mark in orange. Price did not touch this level, and it just went upwards. So yeah, moving forward, I'll be charting all my trading pairs in FXCM. So this is something you could also try yourself. You can see which data feed is best suited for you. Yeah, I've noticed that by using Oenda platform, the price data feed might not be the cleanest for my strategy. It might be for yours, so you have to try it out and experience yourself. So that's it for this week. This is the week 8 of my update. I'll see you guys in the next one.